All right, I'm going to show you something really cool here. If you're trying to set up your featured listings and you're getting this on your agent site, sorry, something happened while we loaded this page. Reload and nothing happens. I got a fix for you. Go into Command and go into the Consumer Applet. So Consumer on the left-hand side. Once you get into Consumer, go click Site and App Settings in the top right corner. And then go into the Featured Listings tab. Okay, and so if yours isn't working, click Learn More with Kelly Guides. Select the Consumer Settings and hit Continue. Now we'll do Get Started. Scroll down and hit Next. Go through. This is where you build out the Kelly Guide for your app download page and your featured listings. So click on Featured Listings. Toggle on Featured Listings. Oops, I just toggled mine off. Okay, so with Featured Listings on, type in the title of Featured Listings, and you can go and select them right from there, or you can do Save and Continue. If you haven't set up your guide builder, you can do that now. I'm going to skip it. I did set up mine by default. You can also toggle on the Promote My Smart Plan, Promote My App Smart Plan. Hit Next, and it's done. That's it. Now, close that out. Go back into the Site and App Settings. Click on the Featured Listings tab, and it'll look like this. Go ahead and do Select Listing. It's going to default to say Only My Listings. Don't be surprised if yours don't show up. That's normal. Go through, select all listings, and you could search by address. I'm just going to grab one that I've seen before, Mississippi Drive. So I'm going to select that one. Maybe I also want to select this one. Hit Done. There's a couple of listings on there. Save changes in the bottom left corner. Saved. Let's check it out. Head on over to my site. All right, my site loads up. Scroll down. Featured listing. There it is. Try it out.